Hey, talk about some chili. She's in the house. It's the wonderful Alison Hammond.
Whoop, whoop. Hot and spicy here, babes.
Sunday morning, shake me up. Bloody Mary, shake me up. Shake you up, that Bloody Mary. Nice and spicy, just for top.
Do you know, we should be doing this on TikTok.
Yeah, I don't know, but
We would be a sensation.
squeeze it out of there. Squeeze it, Giles.
What about doing a bit of boogie? How did you find Strictly?
How did you find Strictly?
Yeah, me love it, sister.
It's fun, isn't it? You've got salsa in you.
Yeah, I know, well, it's a bit of anything, isn't it, eh?
Right, can I
know
put these
that,
to
I
one
can see
side?
Yeah, of course you can. Just pull the pan over here so the
Over
residual
there.
heat will
So
finish
they're just
those.
like, they're charred, but I like it like that, a little bit smoky.
That's what I think it should be.
Yeah?
I think they're lovely. And it's only the outside skins.
Yeah.
Inside the meat, the juice is going to be lovely and succulent. And so we're just going to build this now,
Yeah,
are we?
it's all about structural integrity now.
Whilst you're doing that, I'll work out a little dance routine for us.
Thanks, so you're going to do some choreography?
Yeah.
Perfect. Fancy footwork over there. Can't concentrate, Ainsley.
I can feel like a little food processor. Turn it up and just... My kids would be laughing, they'd be...
Do you like your brownies gooey? Yes, yes I do.